seizure, correct?
That's correct, Commissioners. On the 5th of February 2020, members of the DPCI, Durban Serious Organised Crime Investigation Unit, were summoned to a crime scene at the CHC depot in Prospecton, Durban, where SARS Customs detected a consignment of suspected mandrax. The suspected mandrax was hidden in a container that was offloaded from a vessel that originated from China. The crime scene was properly dealt with in terms of crime scene management principles. The exhibits were photographed, weighed, and sealed in forensic evidence bags. The mass of the suspected mandrax was 547 kilograms. The exhibits were booked in at Isipingo SAPS under a reference number, and then the exhibits were submitted to the main forensic science laboratory in Silverton on 12 November 2021. FSL confirmed that the exhibits were mandrax, and the case was investigated by Durban under a certain reference number.
Before we proceed to the next case, do we know whether there's been an outcome on this matter or are investigations ongoing?
Up to date, there's been no significant breakthrough on this matter, Commissioners, but we are looking into the matter again.
Thank you. Then I think you can turn to paragraph 5, which is...
Sorry, before you do.
Yes.
This is an operation in 2020. What would have happened to the drugs that were seized? As at today, what happened?
Commissioner Baloyi, this is also the matter that I spoke to yesterday. The mandrax seizure, the 547
Yes.
that went to Isipingo. So as I've indicated, upon closure of the inquiry, Forensic Science Laboratory are informed of the outcome of the investigation, and they then have the responsibility to dispose of the exhibits. So the current status of the mandrax, I do not have any knowledge of.
But ordinarily it would be where? If you say the investigation is still ongoing.
Obviously, we after I summoned or requested these inquiries, we've looked into it, identified aspects that need further investigation. So that's why we are continuing with the investigation part.
Okay.
But once narcotics specifically is handed or submitted to the Forensic Science Laboratory, it's never returned to a SAP 13 facility.